Hello everyone, welcome to Sandusky District Library's Fall Virtual Storytime. We're on week 8. Are you ready? Hands go up and hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one shoe. I can listen, so can you. I can sit, I'll show you how. Story time is starting now. Welcome everyone. I am so excited to start today. So today we are going into the woods. And so our first book is called Bear's Loose Tooth by Carmel Wilson, one of my favorite authors. All right, let's see. And it's illustrated by Jane Chapman. Okay. From a cave in the forest came a munch, munch, crunch, as Bear and his friends all nibbled on their lunch. Bear savored every bite, and he gulped and he gobbled. Then there in his mouth something wiggled and it wobbled. As Bear nibbled food, something moved when he chewed. It was Bear's loose tooth. Bear pointed in his mouth and he said, "Oh dear, my tooth feels funny. It's the one right here." Bear frowned and he worried. Tears welled in his eyes. But how will I eat if my tooth says goodbye? Oh, poor Bear, he's worried about it. Hare said, "Open wide." Then he looked inside and saw Bear's loose tooth. Oh, they're all checking it out. Mouse squeaked, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, a new tooth will grow where the old used to be." "We'll help," said Wren. "I know what to do. It's out with the old and in with the new." Wren perched on Bear's lip and he got a good grip on Bear's loose tooth. Wren pulled on the tooth with all of his might. "Is it out?" asked Bear, but it stayed stuck tight. "I'm a bit too small for the job," said Wren, "so Owl grabbed the tooth, but the tooth stayed in." Badger said, "I'll give it a try," and he gave a big pry on Bear's loose tooth. They all took a turn, but the tooth wouldn't budge. Then Bear used his tongue and he gave a little nudge. His tooth wiggled to and fro. Then what do you know? Bear's tooth fell out. Oh no! Bear danced a big dance. Bear grinned a big grin. Bear held up his tooth and he showed all his friends. Bear looked in the mirror and he laughed at his smile. A new tooth would come, but it may take a while. That night in bed, right next to his head, lay Bear's loose tooth. While he slept and he snored, a fairy fluttered in, and she left blueberries where Bear's tooth had been. He woke in the morning and found the sweet treat. Bear's friends came for breakfast. They sat down to eat. Bear gulped and he gobbled, and he felt something wobble. Uh-oh! Bear's loose tooth. He has another loose tooth. Oh my goodness. Okay, that was our first book for today. Our craft this week is called a Nerdy Fall Critter Foam Magnet Crafts. So you're going to, in your Storytime Craft Kit, you are going to find a package like this. And what you're going to do is, with the help of your grown-up, you are going to take all the little stickers and foam pieces and you're going to stick them together to make a critter. So I did one, and it is the squirrel. But you could in your packet either have the squirrel, the owl, or the hedgehog. So you're going to get one of these in your package. Also, in a separate bag in your craft kit, there will be a little magnet. So there's a sticker in this craft kit for the magnet, so you can stick the magnet on the back of your critter, and then you can put it on the fridge. So, but make sure that you have help with a grown-up for your magnet. Okay. All right. Well, what is one thing that there is a lot of in the forest? I would say besides trees, right, there's a lot of birds. So our next book is called, Six Little Birds by Olivia Cosno and Bernard Dizet. Okay. All right. It's one of those pop-up books. Okay, ready? 6 young nuthatches fly the nest. Let's see it again. The first has found the food she likes best. She found sunflower. The second escapes from a bird of prey. Oh no, right? The third bird watches the others fly away. For number 4, friends are just the thing. Look at all those bird friends. While the 5th little bird simply likes to sing. Make bird noises. And the 6th takes the chance to do a little dance. The end. Okay, those are the 2 stories I have to share with you this week. Next week there will not be a story time. That we're taking a break for Thanksgiving, but I will be back Tuesday, December 1st at 10 a.m. There will be a new video for story time. So there won't be one next week, but the week after I'll be back. And when we get back, we are going to talk all things that go. So cars and trains and planes. So some books that you can check out at the library are, this one is Everything Goes by Sea. And I know we have one that says Everything That Goes by Air too. This one's called My Bus. And then another book that you could check out at the library here is just called Train. So we have lots of books about different vehicles that go. So make sure that you come and check them out. So, all right, that's all I have for you this week. I will see you in 2 weeks. Thanks for coming, and we'll see you soon. Right? Ready? Tickle the stars, tickle your toes, turn around and tickle your nose. Reach down low, reach up high. Story time is over, so say goodbye. Bye everyone. I'll see you soon.